Hello everyone. Another journal. This one is reserved and it's called Farm. I made the cover with chipboard. It measures 5.5 wide by 8.25 high with a 1 3/4 inch spine. The paper I used is from TLC Creates on the Farm journal kit. And here I sewed a strip of grass. This is one of the pets on this lady's farm. A background is the fussy cutting of a barn, and there's a spine in the back. I like this vintage look with the torn, looks like wallpaper. And here is a card that says this journal belongs to. I made a little notebook with some, some bits of pieces of paper. Go. Oops, sorry. Again, some a paper cluster. Here's a calf, a rooster, and some items from the kit. There's 3 signatures, 3 hand-stitched signatures for a total of 128 pages. All 3 signatures. The first sheet is is from Old Design Shop gardening journal pages, and the rest is all TLC Creates on the Farm journal, like this one here, a side tuck with a journaling card, tracing paper, vintage writing paper. This is from the kit. It's an envelope, and inside I put some vintage. It's from a tablet. The vintage look, I just love it. Some graph paper, a page from an Edith Holden book. Here's a feather. I downloaded some feathers from Allegra Digitals, and there's only one feather that I can identify out of the whole sheet, and that's the partridge, which is further along here. And then again from the kit, a side tuck with that lace, journaling card, vintage, ephemera, some ledger paper, some drawing paper, and here is an old ad from a book that I have, A Better Way to Wash Clothes. I'm glad we don't have to wash them like that anymore. And this is a page from that aged paper from Screech Owl Studio. The middle of the first signature, a corner tuck, and here is a vintage drawing of a barn. These are from Kristieart. There's a few of them in here. Some ephemera, journaling cards. These are from the kit. Here I made some of these little tags. No, they're not called tags, but there's goose, hen, farmhouse. I have the word in French. And for the number, I used the page in the dictionary where I found these in my French and English dictionary. The other side of that ledger paper. Here's that turkey again, and another feather. The Edith Holden book. Here is a jeweler's repair envelope, and I just did a collage, some fussy cutting, and in the back here, and inside is a journaling card, some graph paper, tracing paper. Here is a cross stitch made by my sister of blueberries. I was hoping to have blackberry, so the lady, when she sees this video, she'll understand why. And she has blackberries that grows on her land, but I couldn't find cross stitch for blackberry. And there's the first signature. The second, here's a corner tuck with some journaling cards, all from the kit. That drawing paper. Here is a layaway envelope, and I just another feather farm fresh that I don't think that, oh, and here is just a little notepad attached to the back. There. There's that partridge feather. And here, this is from a French dictionary, Larousse. It's called Larousse Universelle, and it's dated 1922. I put it down here. And these are domestic animals, some of which this lady has on her farm. Here's that farmer's account book page that I have. The middle of the second signature. Here are some journaling cards, some ephemera pieces. Here are some seed packets. And this is a business card that I found in an antique shop. And they breed Barred Rocks chickens. A copy. Again, some little clusters here of a pig, a chicken. Here is a recipe for the royal sponge cake and corn fritters. It's a little pamphlet I have from the Purity Flour in Ontario, and it's vintage. And here you could order their cookbook for $1. There's a ticket there. And here's some ephemera. Ephemera here. These tickets I just love. They're for they're ice coupons, 25 pounds, 50 pounds. I got a booklet again from that same lady on Instagram, Harbor. Oh God, I can't remember the name. Sorry. And the other side of that farmer's. And here is, this is from a Pinterest. Here is from my French English dictionary for farm and farmhouse. Another little feather. And another envelope from the kit. And inside I put the that vintage writing tablet sheet. A little corner tuck with some journaling cards, an old receipt for milk for the month of September 1886. And these are reference chart for the parts of a horse. So here's the second signature. The third signature, Lily of the Valley, one of my favorite flowers that grows here in my yard. Tracing paper. Here's a corner tuck with some, it's just a journaling card from this is from the kit. Here again is a vintage receipt for pure milk for April 1917. Milk delivered. So, another Edith Holden page, and here is a glassine bag with some fussy cutting, some trim, and a tag that I made with the wild birds found in the this area here. It's interesting. Another feather, and I think it may be an owl, I'm not sure. I tried to look them up, but it's too difficult. And here, this is new. I just tried it out. I saw it on YouTube. You open it up, and it's for journaling, and it closes up like this. And I forgot to take down the lady's name, where I found that on YouTube. Ledger paper, another side tuck with lace, journaling card, rabbits. Just a little tag that I made with the paper. The middle of the third signature. I love that old vintage wallpaper. Here, corner tuck, another one of these drawings of an old barn. I made a tag with the back of that rooster. I just love it. Some journaling cards, again from the kit. Parts of the chicken. Some more of these other flashcards there. Turkey, horse, barn. The other side of that Edith Holden page. Oops. With the eggs. Some graph paper. And here is it's called Surprise Premium Book, where you could order items from saving some stamps. I just like the old kitchen looking items. And this is a CD envelope, and this fussy cutting here, and then when you take out the journaling card, if I can take it out, there you go. This chicken and her little chicks. And the back of the book, I just put a little side pocket. There's just an old bridge. I'm not sure what. Just some little bits here, and then a little seed packet. And that's it. I hope you like it, and I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.